Alright, so one day you're trying to walk outside of your house or your bedroom or whatever, and you try to open the door, and this happens. Can't get out. It's unlocked. Clearly it's unlocked. This is locked. This is unlocked. So you take a closer look, and there's no movement. The actual pin there, a door sliding pin there, it's not moving, and striker plate is fine. There's no issues there. This seems fine. So yeah, the mechanism is broken. So you're actually doing this, but it's not doing anything. You're pulling, you can't open the door. So what you want to do is grab yourself a drill or a screwdriver, whatever you prefer, Phillips, and you want to remove, and of course this is inside interior of the home, you want to remove the screws that are holding together the Alright, so what do we got going on? So basically what's happening is this is not, the mechanism here is not pulling back the little slider, so you can't open the door. So what you want to do is actually go outside, now that you got the handle there pulled out, and there's a piece right here. Right, this thing, it was down here, so grab some pliers. All you got to do is move it to the side, pull it as much as possible. That should allow this sucker to release from the door. And there you go. Got the door open. So it'll pull from the striker plate here from the inside. That pin's gonna pull and it'll allow you to open it. So essentially you gotta open it from the inside. In other words, remove the interior piece, go on the outside, and then again this piece right here, that kind of sits down in place and locks that in there. So you got to pull that out and then just shimmy it a little bit to loosen up, so this sucker, this pin goes free, so you can actually pop the door open. So now I gotta throw this junk out and get a new door handle. So alright, thanks for watching.